Subscribe if you'd like to see more. Review video of the Vevor Forge for beginners. Simple and easy to use for kids and adults. Sold on Amazon. Welcome to the shop. I got a new toy today. It is the Vevor Forge. Propane Forge. I'm going to try to get my son into it. So I'm going to show you once what's in this box when you order it. It is the JHLJD01A model, just a single burner portable forge. It does get up to 2600 degrees Fahrenheit. Pretty much, here's all the information right here. Burner, it's got the one-piece burner, temperature 2600, time needed to reach maximum temperature about 11 minutes. It weighs 6.1 kilogram gross weight. Let's say the whole box is like 20 pounds, maybe, not even. Product dimensions, it's all in millimeters, 340 millimeters by 295 millimeters by 335 millimeters. So small little guy, good enough to get started with the 8-year-old. Out back I got a metal table that we're going to try to do some forging and try to do a knife. So let's open up this box and see what we got. I would love to be able to make a Damascus knife kind of like this at some point. That is my goal. Just nice little pocket knife. I love these knives. I do not like paying the price though that they ask. I like the flea markets and everything. Alright. So we open up the box right here. You have the instruction manual. And you have a little, about 10-inch long gas portable forge. Very heavy duty design. I do love the Vevor products just because they're cheap, they're easy to get started, especially with children. Vevor is the way to go if you just want to try something, and then if you like it, then go to a more expensive option. My father was always interested in blacksmithing. That's kind of led me on to thinking maybe this would be a good hobby for the kid. Set up something, melt some metal with our Vevor furnace, and then use the forge and go from there. Very, very simple design. Metal box. You have that insulation, fire-proof insulation. You have your fire brick. It does come with the fire brick. At least some of the models don't. Here is your propane line right here to hook up to your propane bottle. I'll do that in another video. This is just kind of unboxing. And right here, air choke valve. Right here is the fire brick. I do know you can pick up fire bricks at Tractor Supply if you need more track or anything. You could also make your own forge. There's a lot of different ways to make your own. I just wanted to get something to get started with the kid. That is the Vevor brand. You can always go to www.vevor.com/support if you have any questions. Amazon has a great sale on these right now. I definitely say check it out. Definitely affordable if you just want to get your hand started with these guys right here. So operating steps, you slide the burner onto the opening of the top of the forge. This would be the burner. Lock the burner into position using the set screw. Let's see how they kind of have everything positioned. Might need to rethread this. It is Vevor. There. That's nice and there we go. Place the fire brick inside of the forge under each burner. So this is a single burner. So here is our fire brick right here. As you see, underneath the burner. Mount the connector to the burner. That is number 4. That would be this little guy right here. They do have a picture install the gas outlet nozzle to the burner. What it looks like, you go right here, set that set screw. And here would be the propane line that comes with it. Good. Screw it on top here. Actually, it'd probably be easier. There we go. To attach the propane line first. I will probably get some pipe thread. The tape do have some gas or some of the goop. And you'd hook that up to your propane tank. Alright, that's about all the instructions you get. So not very much for the instructions. Simple design. Probably take a lighter, light it. Fire shoots in here. Give it 11 minutes. Use your tongs. Put what you're blacksmithing in there. I will be getting a bigger vise, definitely. And when we have it in operation, we'll have it outside and show you guys kind of how it works. Have to do a couple test phases and see if the Vevor lives up to its name as a nice hobby product. Have a wonderful night. Please click the link if you are interested in buying one of these. 70, 80 bucks. You can't go wrong with the brand. For any reason, it's Amazon. You can always return it. If it doesn't work, get your money back. Get a new one. They do have double burner options. I'll drop a link for the double burner option also. They are pretty much identical, but they are longer. They are bigger, more for bigger projects. So we're just going to start with doing the pocket knives, and hopefully this little guy right here will be able to work perfectly fine for that. You guys have a wonderful night.